Hey guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry. So excited to film my last tutorial for this year. I can't believe it, we almost in 2024. So spirals, somebody commented on my spirals. I know it's very easy, but spirals can be used different way. And today I want to show you a very easy project with the spirals and seed beads. So you can use it for the necklace, or you can use for your earrings. You can use crocheted part like I did this, or you can use with the seed beads the way I did it, something like that. I really think it's a cute New Year project. Any little tiny beads can go with that, plus favorite spiral. Okay, so I will use sterling silver and also copper. On this necklace, I made 3 of them. On commercially made chain, I just add one directly in one of the link. Then I made a tiny link from a sterling silver. I have on my channel something like that, the chain I do. And then I attach the one in the middle. So 2 of them is directly into the link and one with a handmade link. And this tutorial will be short because you're all busy. So let's take some thicker wire. I will use today sterling silver, and I use half heart and 19 gauge. It's from Rio Grande. It's my favorite supplier. We don't need a lot. I will not even cut. I will use from the rail. So what I do is I use my tip of the round nose pliers and just go around just like that. I don't like this shape, so I always cut a piece. They never go into the waste. I have the whole bag with the scrape. Like, look at how much I have here. And then I melt and I make stuff from melted pieces like pebbles and wire wrap. That will be definitely a project for next year, to work on different camera, because I film on my phone, and next year I will have professional camera, hopefully, and I can film it some more complicated pieces, even with a fire. Okay, so when the wire touch to the main one, you just scroll it, just like that, and keep scrolling until you decide what size you want it. If you make earrings, I would highly recommend make them 2 together at the same time. How I usually measure them, because I want them to be equal. Let's see if they're enough. Yeah, so just like here. And then what I do is I reposition my plier right here, because I want to make this wire go straight. So hold it and just go straight. That's it. We made the spiral. And what we do is measure also the length, so nothing go in the waste. When I start to work, I always do first project with the copper, and then if I wanted to, if I feel like I want to make from sterling silver, I use the sterling silver, but I don't like to waste anything. That's why the first piece is usually copper, so I know how much material I need and all this. This time I use sterling and copper together, because I use seed beads and it's anyway will not be noticeable. So I decide I will later use liver of sulfur, and that will be very antiqued, and sterling silver will be polished to perfection, and it will look beautiful. It will be darker and sterling silver shining. So I think it's a good use when you combo with something like 2 metals when you use seed beads. So now we have our spiral. We needed hammer it. So this one is hammered, you can tell it's flattened. Tons of small tapping, better than just one strong hit, you know, just tiny. You hammer it, done, and we start to put seed beads to our piece. So here is the one almost done. So I want to just show you how I started, and you can make this amazing piece yourself. So we need 24 gauge. Let me just cut a little piece that we needed because I don't need that much wire for sure. Cut, and so that's the wire I will use right now, like a piece of the wire like this, and spiral. That's what we have. So I will go from the middle. Just use your 24 gauge in the middle, and I will wrap once. You can see one wrap, and the second is going this way. And we will put 5 beads on it, 5 seed beads. 1, 2, that's the challenge, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have that, and I will just push the wire, and so prevent them running away from you and sticking where they're supposed to be stick. I will leave just a little piece, like something like that, and then squeeze it all the way. Let's see if you can see in the camera. Yeah, so it's completely squeezed. I hope you can see. Yeah. And so after you squeeze, you go inside and wire wrap once, 2 times. That's it. Just one wrap around, and then the second is straight. And you keep going. You just put 5, 1, 2, 2. None of them want to go. See how they stubborn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 5 again. Okay, same way, we just push this wire down, and that little tail that we have, we just squish it slowly, but squish it all the way, so there is definitely nothing can go through that thing, you know, just squeeze. See how that's squeezed? Completely squeezed. I don't know if it's not, yeah, you can see it, right? Yeah, just squeeze it. Yeah, and again, this way is easier because here is open, so you can go once and then you put 5 again. So when you done here, because I have 10 around on the other side, because you see how wire is going from here for this angle, it's still same thing. We put 5. Just quickly want to show you. Ooh. Quickly doesn't work in this case. Okay, stay with me, guys. I can't believe we made it to the end of the year. I heard that 2024 will be even more unstable, so let's see what happens. I'm excited to go in 2024, have my health, my kids healthy, everything is good, have my house, a lot of blessings to be thankful 4. We really appreciate you. Okay, so we have here number 5. Same thing, I just push it wire, and you will do a little squeeze here. Okay. Sometimes, you know, you have to be very slow squeezing, so you will not squeeze your, sorry for my dog, sometimes he annoyed by me talking. Okay, so I squeezed it, that way the beads will stay here. So now, because the wire was from going from the this way, you know, from the bottom, so what we do is we also following that, you know, we just go through that spiral. Make sure you push your wire how it's supposed to sit, and just do one and do straight, so you can put more beads. That's it. So you just follow that spiral, make 10 of them. Let's see, we have 3, 6, 7, 8, so we still need 8, 9, 10. We need 2 more, but I don't want it to continue the same thing, but I want to pretend that it's all done, like you have 2 more of those. So when you go all the way, like, let's see here, you can see it's like, because that's where we started, and we come 10. So what we do is, to make this earring looks the same, how many wraps you have here, let's say you have 4, you can have 5, the same amount you have to put on the other side. And then what I did is, the wire goes right here, hugging them, the spiral with the, like, you just tie them together with the wire, and wire wrap, few wraps, let's say 3 on top. That's it, and you cut. So that's how you finish your spiral, and you will have beautiful, beautiful earrings. Depends how long you want to make them. If you want to just tie it here, and it will be a little bit longer and like more flexible, all up to you how you want to finish this project. Guys, I really appreciate you watching my channel. So thankful for all of you. I feel like I have now the whole family who following me. Please, if you can, share my videos, send it to your friends. You know what to do. Now working on this channel, we have a lot of videos. I know somebody will benefit from that if they're beginning wire wrapper or more advanced. So I'm planning in 2024 do more complicated pieces, but I do need more crowd who will support me. I know we can do it. I know it can be beneficial for everybody, because for some reason I see like people telling me that they didn't receive my videos in recommendation. Maybe that's the last views, I have no idea. So it was just a commented, please, if you can, any comments, hope positive, right? So and I will see you in 2024 with the new ideas and new positive energy, and let's be thankful for what we have, and let's be thankful for our health and our families and food on the table, and ability to create and see beauty in the nature, and in jewelry and art. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and see you in 2024. Bye.